Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through app not install problem solution in your iPhone device. To do this, first of all, open your control center and turn on the airplane mode for 20 seconds and then again turn it on. Once you do this, open your settings and click on the screen time. Scroll down and go to the content and privacy restriction, and from there make sure that all of them are allowed. Then go to the content restriction, and here also make sure all of them are allowed. Now scroll down and hit on the App Store and toggle on the app downloads option. Once you do that, your problem will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.